All right, we are in Anaheim now. This is car wash number 3 on this little journey for me. I was actually given a tip-off a while back that this gas station has that Mark VII Aquajet that you see right there. And if you recall the last video I did of one of these things,
Take
it was
the next left, then your destination will be on the left.
No shit. We'll see if it's even working. It doesn't even look like it's in good condition.
Is it like it's gonna be that? Is what you're saying?
Oh, nope, it's out of service. Oh. What a surprise. These things don't tend to hold up very well. Yeah, this thing has definitely seen better days. Wouldn't surprise me if this thing doesn't even work anymore. Probably hasn't worked in a long freaking time. Throttle plate here. Let's see. See, the other one I filmed didn't have all the status signage here. This thing looks pretty awful. Yeah. I doubt this one's going to be back in service anytime soon. It looks pretty beat up. Well, on to the next one. Alright, round 2 is coming up here on the left. This one probably has a higher chance of being functional. And I missed the turn again, but I can probably use the other driveway. Oh, the Disneyland shuttle.
Well, this is the cast shuttle.
Well, that's awful courteous.
The cast shuttle?
Yeah.
How's it courteous again?
Awful courteous of the company to do that for them. Oh, got to pay inside. Great. Once again, a beautiful air quote looking pay station. Looks super well maintained. The code is 11210.
You have purchased the works wash. You may enter the wash when it is ready.
Super energetic voice, I gotta say. Super.
Wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance sign.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, kind of spooked me for a second there too. This is actually, I said this was a Wash World Razor. I meant to say this is a Mark VII Choice Wash. I got my, oh sorry, Soft Wash. I got confused for a second.
That's normal for you to get confused.
Wait, this isn't a Soft Wash. This is actually a Mark VII, a newer Mark VII Aquajet. There we go. Alright, so this is a newer version of that car wash we just went to. See, the bar comes down.
That's a little creepy.
I think it's trying to size up the car right now. Figure out.
It was just creepy.
Look at all the lights though.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not quite sure what's happening right now. I'm not sure if it's failing to apply pre-soak or what's going on. It said there was a double pass of pre-soak on the wash menu in the store. What the heck?
You said it's sizing up the car.
I thought it was, but it's spraying something, and I guess it was sizing up the car, because now it's actually spraying the pre-soak it's supposed to spray. Okay, pretty decent coverage, I'd say, to start with.
I was like overloaded a bit.
What the?
That didn't sound so good.
The these side blasters aren't working, just the top ones. Oh boy, I think we have another winner here. Oh, never mind, they work. I take that back. I guess they don't run with the top cycle. They only use the side blasters when coming back on this pass. Okay. Just interesting. The lighting effects are cool though.
Yeah, a little thick police lights.
That's true, it does. Oh, look at this. That is really cool. Comes out like a sheet of paper almost. Now this one definitely has a scent. I can pretty strong chemical smell to it.
It's like citrus.
It's a very strong citrus smell. Like it's not really like a soft scent. It definitely goes hard on the nose for me.
Well, it's not my cousin, I know that.
It's not what?
It's not my cousin, I know that.
Oh, I see what's causing that noise. Is that one of those little tiny little streams of water is supposed to spin really fast, but some of them get clogged up, so it's not spinning as fast.
It's still like citrus.
Yeah, I'm definitely getting citrus vibes from this. Like kind of like those medicines that you take that taste like orange.
Yeah.
That's kind of the vibe I'm picking up here.
Yeah, so it's like a lot of orange and less of a grape kind of smell.
Yeah. I'm guessing this is just a freshwater rinse. Maybe this is Rain-X, I don't know. Yeah, these are definitely Protovest dryers. This is my first experience with one of these, and they sound really cool when they start up, so. It's probably gonna be it. Yep. Look at the dryer time, it's like placed up in the corner up there. Wow, this is cool.
It's a lot more powerful than the other ones I've seen.
It's got these giant motors, probably. These dryers are really, really fat. That's why I like them. They look super, like, vintage.
They might be.
They are actually. I don't think these are made anymore. I'm sure someone on the comment section will correct me if I'm wrong. Ugh. Trying to navigate that treadle is making it hard for me to go slow through this. Only 24 seconds of dryer time remaining. I think I'm out of their range now. I gotta admit, I mean, despite how awful, it's not awful, but like how run down it looked going in, that seemed to do pretty decent.
When I was saying that the scent was strong, I was saying it's not as strong as my cousin's scent, because my cousin's cologne is very, very strong. That's what I was saying. It's not my cousin's scent. I know that for sure.
Yeah, I can understand that. Yeah, that wasn't a bad wash, I'd say. Drawing quality is but I mean, like, it's still a decent wash for $10. You can get away with that. Well, that's going to conclude this smaller adventure. Now we're going to the next one, and I'll see you in the next video.